How to enable or disable the cut page in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and look at the top menu bar. Click on Workspace, then from the drop-down menu, hover over Show Page. This will display a list of all available pages like Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. To disable the cut page, simply uncheck Cut from this list. The cut page will immediately disappear from the bottom navigation bar. If you want to enable it again later, go back to Workspace, hover over Show Page, and check the cut option. This method is very quick and efficient, and it does not require restarting DaVinci Resolve or changing any advanced preferences. It is especially helpful for editors who want to personalize their workspace by hiding pages they rarely use, making it easier to concentrate on their main editing tasks. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable the cut page in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.